Everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial for the Sims 4 game on your PC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Sims 4 gameplay recording safe for streaming without having to worry about copyright. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sims 4 game on your PC and then click on the three dots at the top right corner from the main menu. From here, click on Game Options and now click on Music. Within this page, you will see the Safe for Streaming option. This option says that if you enable this button, this will only enable those music that are safe for streaming and don't have any copyright issues. So make sure that this checkmark is enabled, and now all of the soundtracks that are not safe for streaming will be disabled within your game. Once this option is enabled, it will be applied to all of the genres or station within the game. You can also choose to enable or disable various different musics manually based on your choice. Once you are done setting up all of your preferences, you can click on Apply Changes. And now you may enjoy your game and record as well as stream your footages without any worry of copyright strikes on your videos. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.